Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable Group Policy Editor on Windows 11 Home. Type Notepad in Windows search bar, click Notepad. Copy text from description and paste it. Click File, Save As. Select all files. Type any file name with .bat, click Save. Right-click Run as administrator. Press any key to continue. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.